Hey everybody, this is Kevin Ayala, Credit Law Solutions, also the keynote speaker to a podcast called the 800s Club, where I coach individuals how to build positive credit. And a lot of my referral partners, have transitioned from dispute companies because that method really doesn't work. I like to say that it's very useless because all it does is temporarily make a trade line invisible once it's in dispute. But once the underwriter sees those accounts in dispute, the score will actually drop back down because the underwriter will have to remove those accounts out of dispute. So, why a lot of my referral partners have transitioned from those companies is because they just dispute items on a credit bureau level, and what we're doing different is we're legally challenging the root of the problem. So we're going after the original creditors, collection companies, and the courthouses in the cases of public records, sending them pre-litigation letters to put them through an audit to open up an investigation using consumer laws that protect your clients to get these items removed permanently off the report. Now, of course, every derogatory does have a strategic way of getting it removed. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call so I can explain in depth how we eliminate them. But I also wanted to talk about a little bit about, my success stories that I've been having with Homebridge, Fairway, New American Funding, and also Guaranteed Rate, where I've been able to turn around files in 2 to 3 months, or for those difficult files, even 3 to 5 months. And I've never had a client go over 6 months. So these successful stories are, the ones that keep, because online reputation means everything. And once your clients, see that we can actually bring value to the table, by getting them to qualify, imagine in 2 to 3 months, that could turn into a loan for you. So some of my success stories were actually I removed a collection under 45 days. And I was actually able to get this particular person into a home loan in just the next 30 days. And for one of my top producers, for example, his name is Dominic Silvestri with Homebridge, I was actually able to turn around a file for him where the guy only had a medical collection and he needed a jumbo loan, and that recent medical collection actually dropped the score like 100 points because it was recent. But I was actually able to remove that using the HIPAA Act strategically, because in the HIPAA Act, it states that doctors, clinics, hospitals, they cannot share personal information with a third party. So they're under violation of that, and they will not be able to provide, original documentation. And I was actually able to remove that in 30 days, and I got a testimonial from him and a testimonial from the client. And another success story that I had with somebody from Fairway, I was actually able to get 6 mortgage lates removed because they were just horrible at tracking and recording things. Because if you think about it, there's millions and millions of data coming in and out from original creditors to the collection companies, the credit bureaus. All this information is being transferred. And who's to say that one person won't make a mistake, because human error does happen. So that's one of the loopholes that we use to get these items removed. And of course, sending these pre-litigation letters instead of just dispute letters does, speed up the process on getting this accomplished for your clients. So I highly recommend using me as another pair of eyes, because I look at every file through the eyes of an underwriter to really determine if I can help or not. Because I know reputation means everything to you, so does it means everything to me as well. So, if you do research on us, you'll see that we have 5 stars on Yelp with over 100 reviews, and you'll see them from clients to realtors to mortgage professionals nationwide utilizing me. So if you do have any scenarios that you'd like to discuss, please don't hesitate to ask, so I can review the file with you and see if we can potentially get that client into a home. Because in the end of the day, if you're taking the time to help these clients by sending them over to me, guess what? They're going to send you more referrals for, assisting them and taking the time to send them over to me. So that way I know if I keep your clients happy, that keeps you happy. You're going to continue to send me more business, and we're all happy. So in the end of the day, it's all about getting results. Don't fall into the trick of credit repair companies just disputing items, charging $80 to $90 a month, dragging the process on for a year or two. And a lot of my referral partners have been very, very pissed that they don't get the results that they say they would. So I'm here to tell you we do get results. We have the track record to prove it. And if you have any questions on scenarios, again, my name is Kevin Ayala. I do go by the Credit Guru. On my Facebook page, I've gained around 9,000 likes on there, when a couple of good reviews. And I just opened a podcast as well called the 800s Club, and I hope you can check that out as well. But yeah, this is Kevin Ayala, Credit Law Solutions. Check it out, and I hope I can have successful stories with you, because this is a really good year, because people don't understand. I know people get paralysis analysis when they don't qualify, but I'm here to spark back that hope because of the value that we bring, and I'm very confident that my support team and I could add value to your business to increase the amount of loans you close. So I'm tuning out, but I look forward to working with you, and I hope you all have a great weekend. Okay? Thank you.